Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burnett with Scott Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to show you one of the new offerings from Swift Built Trailers. This particular trailer is a custom 24-foot stock combo. Lots of features on this trailer. As you can see, we're going to have a pearl powder coated finish with black diamond plate powder coated rock guards and accents. As we go around this trailer, we can see we're going to have a 4-foot walk-in tack room that features doors on both sides of the tack room and swing-out saddle racks on both sides also. Lots of really nice lighting on the outside, large LED load lights, many extra running lights running down the sides. We can also see this trailer is going to feature a 5-foot escape door, brush fenders that are going to feature a rubberized spray-on coating, 7,000-pound torsion axles with 14-ply tires. We'll also have a full toolbox on the back corner. All LED lighting. Rear load lights or rear LED tail lights are going to be enclosed to protect them from anything that you would possibly run into. We've got a rear slam gate with half slider. 2 extra load lights over the back gates. On the driver's side of the trailer, we're going to have the same options. We do have a toolbox, extra running lights, and another 5-foot escape door. Inside this trailer, we've got a really neat option. This is a rolling center gate. So this particular gate's designed with pins to hold it in place, where you can move it forward in 1 to 1 foot increments. We'll also have a swing gate inside that rolling center gate as well. A lot of exterior LED interior load lights. The Swift Built trailers are known for heavy-duty hinges, heavy-duty latches, and this particular trailer is going to have the heavy 10-gauge side sheets that are 3-foot high sides. You can see the escape, or you can see the swing-out saddle racks, brush trays, windows in the doors. This trailer is also going to feature a hydraulic jack. So just one touch button up and down system. Spare tires are standard. For more information on this particular trailer, give us a call at 800-688-8757 and visit our website at murdocktrailers.com.